Hello dear friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be discussing JAM 2015 multiple select question which is for 2 marks from topic of linear algebra. One of the simple question but it has lots of knowledge to be used. Let's just see the problem. Before starting, it is a multiple select option. That means more than one option also can be true. Okay, so given is a matrix, which of the following equations, just read this carefully, yeah? They are asking you equations, so more than one also could be true. Does M satisfies? Now, whenever the question like which equation is satisfied by a matrix, two things strikes. First is characteristic polynomial and the second thing is minimal polynomial. First, we'll find out the characteristic polynomial. By Cayley-Hamilton theorem, every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic polynomial. So we'll find out the characteristic polynomial for this matrix. The matrix M is nothing but 2, 3, 1 minus 1. We know that given a 2 cross 2 matrix, the characteristic polynomial of such matrix in terms of lambda is given by lambda square minus trace of that matrix times lambda plus the determinant of that matrix. So that is nothing but lambda square minus, what is trace? Trace is nothing but sum of diagonal entries. That is nothing but 1 plus minus 1. That is nothing but 1. Right? So it is nothing but 1 lambda plus the determinant of this matrix is minus 2 minus 3. That is nothing but minus 5. So that is equal to lambda square minus lambda minus 5. So since by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, if in this equation I write lambda equal to m, so it is m square minus m minus 5 times I, this would be equal to 0 by Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So from this I know this equation would be satisfied. Let us see from the option which is true. If you see, this option is not true, option A, because I found something like this. I could not say whether this is false or not, but it is not true as of now, right? And the next thing is option B. Let's see option B. Option B is m cube minus m square minus 5m equal to 0. So over here, I observe something is common. If I multiply my characteristic equation with m, I get this as the option. If this is equal to 0, if I multiply this with m, this is also equal to 0, hence option B must be true. But what about the other option? A, C and D. Since it is multiple select, more than one option also could be true. How we can make sure the other options are not true or they are false or whatever it is, right? So to get the correct answer, the concept of minimal polynomial must be used. What is the concept of minimal polynomial? A minimal polynomial is the least degree polynomial which annihilates the matrix. Also, if any other polynomial annihilates a matrix, then your minimal polynomial must divide that polynomial. That means what? If I find out the minimal polynomial, I can check whether a given polynomial can annihilate my matrix or not. So to tackle such kind of a question, which equation would be satisfied by a matrix, you should work on the concept of minimal polynomial. What is a minimal polynomial for the given matrix? We know that the minimal polynomial divides characteristic polynomial, so it must be a divisor of it, right? Also, they have the same roots but the different multiplicity, right? Now if I see this equation, m square minus m minus 5i equal to 0, it definitely does not factorize very naturally, so we need to use the formula. And in this case, my b square minus 4ac is actually nothing but 21, right? So it has two distinct roots. Also, they are rational numbers. So what we ultimately understood is this equation has two roots. Let the roots be alpha and beta. This is the roots of characteristic polynomial. These two are the distinct roots. Hence, the same are the roots of the minimal polynomial. Hence, this becomes my minimal polynomial also. If you are unable to get the concept, please ask me in the comment section. So I'll explain in detail this concept. But as a TY students, everybody should know what I'm doing at present. So this itself is my minimal polynomial. So if any equation wants to satisfy that matrix, then it must be divisible by this. And if you observe, option A cannot be divided by this, option C cannot be divided by this, even option D cannot be divided by this. The only equation from the given which is divisible by this is option B. Hence, option B is the only correct option. It is multiple select, but only one of the option is right. Right? So, by using this simple concept, you can get 2 marks in your JAM exam. Right? Very simple question. I hope you understood the concept. If you still have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.